Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic is a VUI, that is a voice user interface. It comes under the mobile application development subject. And what is a VUI? That is a voice user interface. It is nothing but it is a technology that allows people to interact with a computer, smartphone, or any other devices through their voice command. For example, interaction with users. It is an interaction with the computer, interaction with any computer or any device, smart device, through their voice. So the main objective of the voice user interface is to interact with the computer or any smartphone, any devices through their voice command. This is the concept of the VUI. There is a best example of which comes under the VUI is the examples of the VUI is Amazon's Alexa. First one is Amazon Alexa, second one is Google Assistant. These are the best example which are using the recognition of your voice. Google Assistant. The third one is a Microsoft Cortana. Are the prime examples of the VUI. What makes a VUI unique? Why we use VUI and why it is a unique? This is the main question of our topic. Why VUI is a unique? It is a unique because it uses voice. It uses voice as a primary tool. Instead of typing anything on the keyboard or with the help of mouse, we can just put our voice on our device and the device give us the useful results regarding our query. For example, we have to say something, we have to put query on the Alexa, please please show me the result of the latest movies. Please Alexa, show me the results of the latest song of the particular singer we have to put on, and Alexa gave us the necessary results which we put our query accordingly. So it is a voice. It uses the voice as a primary tool. So this is the voice user interface. Next is the VUI helps perform various tasks. It performs various tasks. What it is it? First one is it helps to helps in shopping. It performs various tasks to playing music. When we used to do shop any Amazon through the websites, or we just put our voice, it recognize it and give us the better result according to our needs. It also uses in playing music, setting alarms, timers, reminders, getting real-time weather. These are the various tasks which perform under the voice user interfaces. Next one is the VUI, voice user interface. What is the voice user interface? It enables user to interact with a device or application using spoken or a voice command. VUI. Why it is different from the GUI, that is a graphical user interface. In a VUI, we just interface product VUI enable users to interact with the device or any smartphones, devices or application using voice command. This is the VUI. And what is a GUI? That is a graphical user interface. It is a graphical layout and a design of the device. For example, screen display and apps on a smartphone or a computer is a graphical user interface. It is used to display the visuals for a UI. It is used to display visuals for VUI, such as example of a sound wave, and when a voice assistant on a smartphone respond its user. Another real life example can be how Google and Apple Siri use VUI and GUI together. For example, graphical. For example, when that kind of a speaking mode, when we just put this button and we say our query and we set our query to the Alexa, the voice which is like the result which shows in the form of the graphicals, in the form of graphic. जब भी हम कोई भी बात करते हैं कि हम अपने क्वेश्चन पुट करते हैं अलेक्सा को या गूगल असिस्टेंट को, वो सिंपली जब हम प्रेस करते हैं टैप टू स्पीक, समटाइम ऐसे लिखा आता है वहां पे टैप टू स्पीक. जब हम स्पीक करते हैं तो एक वेव्स जो प्रोड्यूस होती हैं, विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस. Apple, Siri and VUI and GUI. When जब हम Siri respond hi Siri using VUI or pressing down on the home button of the Apple devices, user will know that Siri is active. जब भी हम ये यूज करते हैं Siri वाली, तो यूजर को पता रहता है कि हमारी Siri उस टाइम पे एक्टिव है. एंड व्हाट कैन आई हेल्प विद यू, वहां से रिस्पॉन्ड ये भी होता है कि व्हाट कैन आई हेल्प यू. So representation wavelength move to the sound of the speech. This also shows user that Siri is actively listening and processing their questions. जब भी हम यहाँ पे आता है टैप टू स्पीक, और जब भी हमें ऐसा वेव फॉर्म मिलता है तो उससे हमें क्या पता लगता है कि हमारी वो चीज प्रोसेसिंग में है, कि हमारी गूगल या अलेक्सा या सीरी दे आर प्रॉपरली लिसनिंग टू अस एंड गिव अस द रिजल्ट. समटाइम हमें रिजल्ट्स शो होने में लिटिल बिट टाइम इस प्रोसेस को लग जाता है, बट स्टिल वी आर थिंकिंग दैट कि दे आर इन द प्रोसेस. सो इन VUI, GUI is a compatible with the VUI during their process. So Google Assistant is also same like Google Assistant respond to the user when it hear okay Google, okay Google. These are the icon open when we open the Google. There are okay Google, hi Google. At the bottom of the screen, colorful dots will display. There are some colorful dots. I think it is in a blue color. The dots is display to let the user know that the Google Assistant has been activated and ready to listen. While it waits for the user to ask a question, the dot will move in a wave formation to represent wavelength until it gets speech. And once the कोई भी user एक बार speech start करता है, user start speaking, the dot जो है transform होते हैं bars में. ये जो dots हैं वो bars में transform हो जाते हैं गूगल में. आप इस चीज को डेली अपनी लाइफ में यूज करते हो. जो यूज कर रहे हैं गूगल असिस्टेंट को, सीरी को, वो बेटर इसके बारे में उनको पता है कि वो बार्स जो डॉट्स हैं वो उसके बाद बार्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं until it gets speech, जब तक हम बोल रहे हैं. And when the user wavelength lets user know its processing information. Another GUI feature that the Google Assistant has is that it will display what the user has asked and Google responses. ठीक है. Next one is what is a voice artificial intelligence. मतलब ये वॉइस हम इसको आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंसी में भी काउंट करते हैं. in a voice artificial intelligence. Next one is a